It's chic, it's engineering, it is new and approved. It has a touch bar, which I'm obsessed with. Hi guys, I'm back with the MacBook Pro update, and it's been about a day since I've had it, and I really wanted to test it out before I made a review video, just in case like anything I didn't like comes up later on that I wouldn't realize in the beginning. So I just made a couple notes and I'm gonna answer the basics about it, and this is it. I ordered a case for it. It should be here tomorrow morning, and when you turn it on, this is how it looks, and I use my finger to lock it. I was on YouTube, sorry. All right, so first thing is customization. It was really easy for me to customize it. My backdrop is really just a really light pink, but my lock screen it's this really cute mobile with pictures that are from my favorites. So I'll show you guys how to customize it and how to make it look nice, and I absolutely love it. It's the cutest thing. Just go to settings and you press desktop and screensaver, and this was for my background, but when you go to screensaver, you have so many options. Like there's this and this, and it's just so many options, but I like this one just because I love this little color purple, and you choose where your pictures and videos are. I just downloaded a bunch of pictures from my phone onto the MacBook, and that's just what plays. A lot of my pictures that I use for my covers are on here, but I just go in later on and delete them. But it's super easy and it's super cute. So this is my, shall we call it, lock screen. And it's so cute. It's just a whole bunch of my pictures, and it's like a rotating mobile. It's so cute, I love it. And second of all is the battery. This laptop, I charged it once last night and it's still good. It's like, I'll probably need to charge it again tonight. So it's not like the best battery that lasts 5 days or something. It's just a regular laptop battery, but I do use it a lot, so I understand why. It's not dying, but it's on like maybe 20%, and that's completely fine. I don't mind charging it. For editing, it is so good. Like, it saves me so much time. So far I have edited on either my iPhone, my iMac, and this MacBook Pro, and this has to be by far the best thing I've used for editing. When I used to edit on my phone, it would be harder because the screen is smaller, so I wasn't really able to really get into like the minor details. And when I would edit on my iMac, it would just take forever because it's from like 2015. So it's just really slow, and it's just a lot of shutting down or just taking forever to just upload the smallest thing. So this is by far the best thing. And when I have a video from my phone, I just airdrop it directly to the laptop, and it's just better quality than when I used to airdrop it to the iMac. So it's just overall the better device for editing YouTube videos, and it doesn't crash like the Air. I've heard a lot of people say the Air crashes when you use iMovie too much, so this is great for me. And also, when you're editing, the computer does heat up. It heats up, but the fan also comes on and it cools it down at the same time, if that makes sense. And it's not really a heating that like I mind. I just notice it. Like, if it's on my leg, it'll get hot. But I ordered a case, and hopefully that should be fine for controlling that. But also, I don't mind the heating because it's not that bad, and it's only while you're editing, like while you're editing a long video, and when you're uploading it to iCloud, that's when it starts heating up. But it cools right back down as soon as it's done uploading, which is really quick. So this is a really light computer. The way that people compared this to the Air, for saying the Air is so light, this is light too. But I also don't know if that's just because I'm coming from a Dell laptop that literally weighed 10 pounds. I couldn't take it to school because my back would hurt just from walking around with that in my book bag. So this is an upgrade for me. This is not even that heavy. I can open it with one hand, which I think I told y'all is the most impressive thing to me. and it's just easy to unlock, get into it. I just love it. So my number one thing with this is I only recommend it if you're going to be editing videos or pictures, because if you're not, then the MacBook Air is exactly the same and it is about $200 cheaper, and it's just not worth getting the Pro just because it's the Pro, just for the touch bar, if you're not really going to be using all of its features. But if you are going to be editing anything, then the Air is just not going to be for you, because even if you do buy it, trying to save money and just work with it for now, it's going to crash on you so many times that you're just going to end up getting the Pro. It's just, you're gonna end up having to buy 2 laptops or just completely stop using that laptop for editing or anything. Love it. Best investment I've ever made. Like, highly 100%, 10 out of 10. Recommend it if you are editing. There is the 16-inch version and there's a 10th generation version of the 13-inch version, and I would say if you have the money, go ahead and get the 10th generation. I got the 8th generation because I just don't need all that extra stuff. But if I do end up doing more with the laptop, I'll probably have to upgrade or buy more storage. But for now, this is completely fine. I have no complaints. After a day of having it, I will come back with about a 2-week update, or really if it's bothering me, then maybe sooner. But I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with this computer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for everyone who's been supporting. It's just been so good seeing all the love and support, and it's just so sweet. And I, like, y'all know my dramatic self, I might just cry, but thank you.